Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. This is a integrated program in which you will have your job at Wipro and also you will be pursuing MTech degree. We will discuss all the things about this, all the eligibility criteria and all. But before that, I want to request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. And also you can hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobkar. So with that note, let's quickly move on with the video. So this is a hiring from Wipro, but this is a kind of hiring in which you will be pursuing a master's degree and also you will be working in Wipro. So this is a great opportunity for the students. Okay, so the registrations are opened and this is the work integrated learning program 2022 from Wipro. So the education they want are 10th standard. You should be you should have the passing marks, and in the 12th standard also you should have the passing mark. There is no 60% criteria. Only in your graduation you should have at least 60% or 6 CGPA to be eligible for this program. Okay, now the year of passing are 2021 and 2022. That means 2021 and 2022 batch are eligible, and the qualification, so the qualification which are eligible are bachelors of computer application, that is BCA, and bachelors of science, that is BSc, and eligible streams are computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, and electronics and physics. Okay, so these are the branches from BSc which are eligible, and for BCA all the branches are eligible. Now they have given the evaluation process here. So first you will register yourself for this program, and if you are eligible then you will get assessment. Okay, so assessment link you will get on your email ID, and the assessment will be online. All the process will be online. Okay, now after assessment, if you clear the assessment, then you will have a business discussion. That is basically means you will have your interview, and after interview if you clear the interview, then you will receive offer letter from Wipro. Okay, now the designation for this will be scholar trainee. So basically in this you will be pursuing MTech degree, and for this Wipro will sponsor will your of your MTech degree. That means whatever cost it will be sponsored by Wipro, and you will have MTech degree after completion of this program. And in this program you will also receive a stipend for every month. Okay, so for the first year of period your stipend will be 15,000, and for with this you will receive 75,000 joining bonus. Okay, so this will be the case for first year. If I talk about second year stipend, so there will be 17,000 available. Okay, so you will get 17,000 stipend per month. For the third year you will get 19,000 stipend per month, and for the fourth year you will be given 23,000 stipend. Okay, and this will be the merge bonus for the first 2-3 years post completion of the MTech degree, and post the completion of the program designation will be senior project engineer, and compensation will range from 6 lakh per annum onwards depending on your performance. So this is a really good opportunity for all the 2021 and 2022 batch from BCA and BSc, because after completing your program you will have MTech degree and you will have a project senior project engineer designation with 6 LPA salary. Okay, so this is a really good job opportunity. Okay, now other benefit they are providing are MTech degree fully sponsored by Wipro. Then you will have group life insurance of 14 lakh, and 14 lakh per annum. Okay, so every year you will get group life insurance of 14 lakh, and then group personal accident cover of 12 lakh per annum. Okay, so these are the other benefits. Now if I talk about service agreement, so on joining, candidate would be required to sign a service agreement for 60 months. So basically, this will be a 5 years service agreement. In this 4 year, you will have as an scholar trainee, and you will get a stipend. And after completing these 4 years, you will get your MTech degree, and you will need to work as a senior project engineer for 1 year. Okay, so these will be 5 years service agreement. Okay, additional criteria we will check. So mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one of subject in graduation, and business maths and applied maths will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation, and maximum of 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. Okay, so if you have more than 3 years gap, then you will not be eligible, and no gaps is allowed in graduation. Graduation should be completed within 3 years, and education should be regular full time only, 10th 12th graduation, that should be recognized by a central or state government of India, and maximum one active backlog till the interview stage, and offer will be meted out subject to backlog clearance. So if you clear all the process, and if you have one backlog, then you will not receive a offer letter. Okay, so you can take part in the process of having one backlog, but for receiving the offer letter, you should be clear that backlog. Okay, now should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card, and in the event of holding the passport of any other country, and Bhutan and Nepal citizens need to submit their citizenship certificate, and candidate who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. So you need to keep in mind that you should not be participated in the last 3 months in any Wipro hiring. Okay, now every eligible candidate must go through below online assessment details appended for your reference. Okay, so this is the assessment process. So first, you will have online assessment that will be 80 minutes of duration, and in that they will be asking aptitude test. There will be, so in that they will be asking verbal, analytical, and quantitative. Each section has 20 minutes, 20 questions. So you will get 1 minute for one question, and for written communication test, there will be a 20-minute test. Okay, and upon selection in the online assessment, candidate will require to go through business discussion round. That will be your interview round basically. Okay, and that will be a HR interview most probably. Okay, now candidate who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in last 3 months are not eligible, and it will be solely be at the discretion of Wipro permit and restrict permissions of any candidate, whether eligible or not, in any selection process of WILP. So if you have participated in the last 3 months any hiring in Wipro, then you are not eligible. And the last date to apply will be 25th May 2022. So you need to apply as soon as possible because you have few days left, and online assessment will be completed till 30th June. That means just after the last date of application, you will start your assessment. Okay, so you need to get ready for that also. An online assessment will be informed by a registered email letter, and for any queries or clarifications, you can reach out to manager.campus@wipro.com, and using the subject line WILP 2022, and the same will be responded within 3 working days. So you need to mail this mail ID if you have any clarification, if you want any clarification, or if you have any doubts. Okay, and you should keep in mind that mail practices checks to be done on online assessment, so do not perform any mail practices, do not cheat in the exam, just prepare well and perform your 100%. Okay, so this is all for this WILP. This is a Wipro integrated learning program 2022 for 2021 and 2022 batch. So do apply guys if you are eligible. And this is all for today's job update. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates. And also you can follow us on Instagram. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down and I'll be try to answer your comments as soon as possible. And yeah, this is all for today's video. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.